Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to use abstract models in Django. So first of all, let's create a app. Let's say main app, and let's register it in our installed apps. We have now registered our main app in the installed apps. So let's go to the models of the main app. The abstract models are those models for which we want to reuse the fields of that model. For example, we almost in every model use date fields like created date and updated date, and we want to use those fields in every other model. So how we can do with the abstract models? So let's see. First of all, we will create a timestamp model for abstract. Let's say class abstract timestamp model, and we need a time zone here if we want to use a time zone for timestamp. So from Django.utils import time zone. So we will create two fields here. Created at is equal to models.date field. We will use time zone.now. And for updated at, we will also use time zone.now. So these are the two fields we mostly want to use in every other model to maintain the timestamps of the models. So how we can do this? All we have to do is in this model we have to give a meta field for class. Under class meta we will say abstract is equal to true. When we create a new class or new model, let's say book, we will inherit directly from this abstract timestamp model. Okay, so what it will does is these two fields created and updated are automatically added to this field. Let's say I will add one more field here. Title is equal to model.char field. Max length is equal to 255. Okay. Def str is equal to self.title. So what now happens is along with this title field, we also have this created and updated at field. So n number of models we can use this abstract timestamp. So let's create this model in the database now. Use migrate, make migrations and migrate. Again, let's run. Now let's migrate this. Okay, let's create a simple super user, and I'll create one password. Okay, now let's run the project and see. Manage.py run server. Our username is admin. Password will be password. Here you can see books model is there, and if I add a book, let's say test, and in our admin panel, let's say I want to list all the fields. So what I'll do is @admin.register model class book admin dot model admin and list fields. This display is equal to title created at and updated at. If I refresh this page, we will see we have created at and updated at fields. So in this way, we can use abstract models to add an extra fields to multiple models. I hope this video was informative to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts in the Django, please mention those in comments so that I can make videos on those problems. Thank you.